Hello, it's Matt and welcome to Collaboration Coach. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Viva Connections newsfeed for your intranet homepage. You can see I've got one here and it's got a mixture of news posts created by my organization, posts that came from external news sources, and also videos that I've uploaded here too. So I'm going to show you how to add the connections feed, and then I'm going to show you how to create the external news posts and the video news posts as well. So the first thing to do to add the feed to your page is to edit it. So I'll go into edit mode and I'm going to add my feed to the top of my page. So I'm going to go up to the top of the section, find the plus button here so I can add a new web part. And then I'm going to type Viva in the search box and that will bring me up the feed for Viva Connections. That's the one I want. Now when I drop this onto the page, you'll see that it automatically picks up the items that it's going to show. And that will be things like news items, posts, and so on. These are things that I've already created. The only real configuration you can do here is to change the name. So I'm going to call this company feed. You'll notice if you go to the edit web part, there's basically nothing that you can change there. But what you can do is add content to that feed by creating it. So that's what we'll do next. So I'm just going to republish that. So my homepage is published and the feed is visible to everybody. And now I'm going to create some new items. The first thing I'm going to do is create one of these video items here. This is an example of a video news page. And I've got other examples here too. These ones here, these are both video news posts. So you can create a video news post from your homepage by going to the new button and choosing video news link. When you do that, you get this panel pop up on the right hand side. Now what this needs is a URL or an address for a video that's already in your SharePoint environment. To get the link, you just need to go to the SharePoint video, copy link, and then paste it into that box. So let's do that. Now I've got my video stored in the site contents, and I've created a library called videos here. And you can see I've got a list of MP4s here. So I'm going to choose this one here and then choose copy link. Now I'm going to make sure that everyone in Collaboration Coach with the link can edit this. I can change that if I want to not allow editing, but I want to make sure that everybody can see it. That's the important thing. So I can apply that and then copy that link. Now I go back to my homepage and I'm going to go new, video news link, and then paste that link into the box here. It will go away and find that video. And it will ask me to change some of the metadata. So for example, I could change the preview image, the title, and the description. The title is going to be activity overload. And I'm going to change the image. I'm going to upload an image here. There's my PNG. When my image comes back, I just press add image, and now that's ready to go. So I can just hit post. And now that video will appear in my company feed. Now it doesn't happen straight away. Sometimes have to wait for a few minutes or up to an hour, I've found. So I can now close this and refresh the page. And eventually my video will appear in this list. Now the next thing I'm going to do is add an external news post. So this is a post that's been created by another website. So I just need to hit the new button, choose news link, and now again it's asking me for the URL or the address of that particular post. So I've got one from the Harvard Business Review. I'm going to just copy that, paste it into the field, and again it goes away, finds that page, automatically adds in a lot of the metadata for me, so it gets the preview image, the title, and the description. I don't have to do anything else. So I can hit post. It will post it for me and then add it to my company feed. Now, after a little while, you'll start to see your posts appear in the feed. For example, here's my video and I can click on the play button and it will play that video straight in the browser for me. And when it comes to the external post, if I just page through my feed, I can see that here. When I click on that, it will take me to another tab and show me that page from the original website. Notice also you can react to posts in this way. So you can give a post a thumb. You can also share the post from the feed through email, Yammer, or just get a link. and you can see how many views there have been, and the same applies for the video as well. So that's how you add a Viva Connections newsfeed to your intranet homepage. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.